What is a custom motorcycle when it isn't made by a heritage American motorcycle company or a clone of one of those companies' products? That's a question that the engineers and product managers of Triumph have pondered long and hard. You can see their unique answer in the new 2018 Triumph Bonneville Speedmaster. That solution is to stick closely to 1950s and 60s classic British styling, and fit it to the riding position and some of the modifications made by American customizers to post-war British motorcycles more than 50 years ago. Perhaps the simplest way to think about the new Speedmaster is that it's a more practical and versatile version of the Triumph Bonneville Bobber, with two-up seating and a larger fuel tank. The changes go further than that, but let's start with what's common. Like the Bobber, the Speedmaster is built around a twin-cylinder, liquid-cooled, 1200cc 270-degree crank, Bonneville T120 engine. The Speedmaster has the same mid-range enhancing intake and exhaust tuning as the Bobber, giving a 10% bump and torque at 4,500 revolutions per minute compared to the T120. The Speedmaster shares the hardtail look chassis and swing arm with the Bobber, giving both a retro appeal.